This reminder is brought to you by the Santa Clara Valley Open Space Authority. For the next few minutes, give yourself permission to take a break. Enjoy these images and sounds of nature. If they inspire you to get outside, you are more than welcome to come to the preserves for a visit. Get settled into a comfortable position and close your eyes, or follow along our visually guided meditation. Find stillness in your body and begin to turn your attention inward. Pay attention to how you are feeling. Make note of any tension in your mind, any physical tension in your body. Don't try to change anything, just simply acknowledge its presence. Now start to focus on your breath. Without trying to alter it, just notice it. Now start to imagine you are breathing in relaxation. Inhale calmness. Exhale tension. Let yourself relax with each breath, and notice the voice in your head grow quieter with each exhale. With each breath, feel your mind and body becoming more and more relaxed. Settle into this sense of peace and calmness. Now imagine you are standing at the beginning of a trail. There is a cool breeze, and you can hear the birds singing in the trees. Taking a deep breath, you look up through the green, curved leaves of an oak tree. The sky is clear today. You see little puffy clouds floating by that catch the light in a way that makes them glow with golden shades. There may be a million thoughts running through your mind about what you may need to get done or anything causing you stress right now. You can leave those thoughts in your car. They will be safe there. Leave your worries behind and take a few minutes to enjoy this preserve that you have helped to support. This land is here in part because of you, because you care about nature. As you look at the trail ahead, you might think to yourself about how lucky we are to live in the Santa Clara Valley, surrounded by so much nature and so much healthy land. You start to walk up the trail. The dirt feels good beneath the soles of your shoes. The trail is neat and clean and free of litter. Walking up the trail, you can feel the sunlight on your shoulders and back. The warmth is soothing. Take a deep breath. Enjoy the fresh air. Breathe out. Let it refresh and energize you. Take another deep breath in and out. Continue to breathe in the fresh, clean air. As you head up the trail, the sweeping views surround you. Canyons and hillsides, shades of green and golden grasses. There are no people, no cars, no planes, and it is quiet. All you can hear is the sound of your footsteps in the soft earth and the breeze blowing through the trees. Rounding a corner, you see a hillside sloping down, covered in grasses and young shrubs, and a few scattered, charred tree trunks. There must have been a fire here years ago. Except for those few charred trees, you can't tell. The land has healed. Nature can heal in the most remarkable way amidst the most difficult circumstances. You remember hearing about the wildflowers that sprang up recently, and you wonder if it was the fire that cleared the way for those seeds to grow. It probably was. How long were they lying there, waiting for a chance to see the sun that would allow them to grow? What will we see in the months to come now? As you stand in the shade of an ancient oak tree, you understand that nature recovers. And so will our community. So will you. And while we heal together, we can come to open spaces like these to enjoy this nature that is here for all of us. We can be reminded that no matter what happens, Earth abides and nature provides. Shelter, food, water, safety, health. Take a final deep breath in and out. Thanks to you, these spaces will remain here for yourself and for all future generations.